A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting.
Hi guys, it's Glory and welcome to my channel. Today's video is so easy tutorial and energyless, cute yet elegant. If you don't know how to cornrows, maybe this style will be very good for you. In this style, no need to start with stretching hair because end of the day you must spray a little bit water before you apply gel. And obviously when you spray water in your hair will shrink. So in my spray bottle, I put leave-in conditioner and water, and I find if I put a little bit leave-in conditioner in my spray bottle, make things easy. Because before I knew this technique, I used to spend 10 or 15 minutes to apply leave-in conditioner in my hair. But since I knew this technique, I can put leave-in conditioner in my spray bottle. I just spray less than 1 minute. I already finished, and the next I start to apply gel. After I put gel into my hair, I use brush to brush it again to make sure my hair really slick down very well. Then I take comb and I separate a little of my baby hair, and after I make sure everything is on point, I take my scarf and cover my hair for 40 minutes to wet my hair to become dry. And here we are after 40 minutes. I come back and I take off my scarf. And after that, I add gel on my baby hair and I make sure they're in good shape.
Every step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
And I take curly hair and latch hook. This is not the first time here in my channel to use this curly hair, but if you don't have curly hair, here in my channel also I ever showed how to change straight hair into perfect curly hair. And I'll put the link in the description below. If you didn't watch, please take your time and watch it. I continue to crochet the curly hair in my natural hair, and I make sure I crochet mid of my head. And because I'll separate them, I put fewer. Keep in your mind after separate, the curly looks more.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end.
I continue to separate my hair till I feel satisfied with my look. Then I take a rubber band and I tie the curly, they place my natural hair end to secure and to cover my natural hair inside. Then I twist such a simple twist and I add a bobby pin to secure my bun.
But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond.
I go ahead and continue to crochet more curly in front, but this time I crochet near to my bun, and as you can see I crochet less than 10 pieces, but after I separate they look a lot. So if you're gonna try this style, you must be very careful with the amount of curly you're gonna crochet, because it's very easy to crochet too much curly.
And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape.
When I separate the curly, I pull from the end. This method can make curly to separate easy without detangle. And after that, I spray a little bit water on my curly And this is the final result for the style number 1.
By night, wanna catch in my photos where you go. Every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
And the style number 2, it's a ninja style. I think I can call it a ninja. I just separate the curly more and I let them cover my forehead. And I trim off all the excess hair. And this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video is useful, please give me thumb up, comment, share, and don't forget to join the family by subscribe. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.